Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. In today's video, I'm reviewing this unit from Outre. It's from their Perfect Hairline collection. I have it in the style Yvette, and I have it in the color S1B/30. I want to say thank you to Outre for sending me this unit. Guys, I'm super excited to try this wig out. I saw it when it first came out, and I was like, I really want to try that, but I never got my hands on it to purchase it. So I have this unit and I took it out of the packaging, and my first thought was, wow, this is so soft. So a little information about this unit is a 13x6 fully hand tied lace wig. It is safe for you to use heat on. It's safe up to 400 degrees. It has a transparent HD lace, and it comes with baby hairs. And then of course it says that no plucking is required. So I have this in S1B30, but it does come in other colors. You can get it in black or brown, and then you also have the option of ginger brown, honey brown, chocolate swirl, and red velvet. So the inside of the unit with the construction, it does have a comb in the back, and it has adjustable straps. Once I put the unit on, I was just freaking living. So the lace blends in really well. I did use powder, and you'll see that I used powder on it specifically because of the fact that I used a spray that had a white residue once it dried, and I needed that white residue to not be visible, especially once I was going to be ready to take my pictures after I was done filming this. So I had to use my powder. But if you do cut the lace off far enough, I feel like it can be blendable without powder, but I'm always going to suggest to you to use powder just to have that little extra effect of making it look as natural as possible. It parts really well. I feel like the parting space was showing really well. Of course, I still did go in and add some powder. For the first time I actually so this is the first time I actually did not have such a bad issue with baby hairs, and I have bad issues with baby hairs because I just can't do them perfectly. But today I will say that I am pleased, and I will give them about a 7 out of 10 of how good they came out. I really don't know what to suggest to use if you put heat on the hair. I don't know, like in the curls section is what I am referring to. Now, I did use heat on the front part as far as like laying my roots down a little bit, which definitely played a big part in making the wig look a lot better as well. Don't get me wrong, I do think it came out of the packaging very beautiful. I was in love before I even cut the lace off. And if you know me well, based off what I show and present on my channel, big hair is like something that kind of scares me, but this one for some reason just like it won me over. Okay, and I think it's really because of how soft this hair is, the light tangling that was going on with it as well. And then also, I think what won me over is the color of this wig. The color is so perfectly blended and presented. They definitely articulated this color very well throughout this wig. It doesn't have any patchy spots. It doesn't look like it is dry. It literally just blends so perfect. I feel like this was a awesome constructed wig. I will give this wig a 98.6% out of 100. And another thing, y'all, that I really like about it is that when I see big hair, I think big hair is about to be super heavy and super hot, you know, just kind of rough. That's how like I visualize bigger hair. But I think that's why I love this unit so much, is because it's the complete opposite. It's lightweight, it's big, but it's not heavy at all. It feels like cooling to my neck, you know, like I feel like I can really wear this in the summertime. Like I can wear this in the summer heat and I won't get hot. Like it's just that lightweight. It appears full and heavy, but it is not. Like it's the complete opposite. And honestly, guys, I really don't have anything bad to report on this unit. I don't have any cons. Now, this is my first impression, of course. I'm just now putting the wig on, but I do not have any cons with this. Like, it's not tangling, it's not dry, it doesn't have shaggy ends, the color is perfect, the lace is perfect, you get multiple styles. There's literally nothing bad I have to present about this unit. It was easy to part, y'all. Like did you see like when I put this hair up in the top knot, I literally parted that with no issue. I was like, okay, when I'm parting this, is it about to tangle on me? Nope, it didn't tangle. I'm showing you guys each style also. I'm going to show you the center part, left part, and the top knot. It can be put in the right part if you do not prefer your wig to have, or your styling of your hair to have a left part. You can do a right part. But yeah, I am pleased. You guys tell me what you think in the comment section below, because I really want to know. And that's another thing, I didn't watch any reviews on this unit because I knew I planned on getting it at some point, and I wanted to just like go into it with an open mind to see like how it presented itself to me. So now I could go and watch some reviews on this, because I was just like, I want to see how it comes and, you know, how it's going to be. But they did their thing. Like I love it. I love this unit so much. Thank you again to Outre for sending me this wig as well. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.